So down there is the dart station I mentioned about, and that's where I just walked up. So this is Bray, and as you can see from the houses, it's kind of the Victorian era, and it was kind of a getaway for the rich people back in the day. Still is. Not much more known about Bray. It's just like it's packed during the summertime, so I try to avoid if at all possible. And so it's not even Bray that gets packed that much. It's the M50 and the surrounding roads. You know, there's plenty of amusements. So I've done the promenade walk on the beach before. It's one of my previous videos. You go check that one out. I think it's mainly because it's at the beach, you know. You have the Bray to Greystones walk, which I've done before as well. That's another video. That's a long one now. That's an hour, so make a cup of tea for that one. You know. Then you have the sea itself. Then there's amusements. I think a casino, and then lots of restaurants and bars. Very popular. So, this is Bray, and this is the harbour that is at. I actually call this one sanctuary, so I've already done the Strand Road and then the Bray Head, and now we're just going to go into the main street. It's been a while in the making actually, this video, because I done the Bray to Greystones walk in the middle of summer. My god, it was hot. And I done the Bray walk that same day actually. Not gonna lie, I do several videos in one day because I work 9 to 5, so the weekends are mainly for editing and uploading and creating video. So these are going to be 5-minute videos, so they're probably going to just start and stop at whenever point. So some might be boring, some might be interesting. So if you are familiar with Bray and you're a male, you might be aware of the library. If you know, you know. If you don't worry about it. Okay, so hopefully the wind doesn't affect the mic. Hopefully you can hear me sound as well, because there's people around and I'm trying to be quiet. So there we go, O'Brien's off licence. Bit overpriced, but they usually have a better selection of wines and whiskies. Clothes shop. Tony's Asian market. I don't get many Asian Tonys. Casino. Irish Cancer charity shop. Here's the known Eco Vape. Vaping is legal over here. Very obedient dog, not even tied up. Just. There's a bar down there. So we're not on the main street, we're on one of the side streets. Main street is down there in a second. Zip yard. Alternatives. So there seems to be a few clothing shops around here. Queen's Pharmacy, Photocraft. I've thought of opening up a studio, but my full-time job just takes up too much time. hair salons, tanning salon, Hilton's Pharmacy, Hilton's and bed linen, Wild Sports. Yeah. Do you know what? I should have came down here during winter. At night time I can see the lights crossing the road. So this place would look nice.